Hello Baranziwa, welcome back to my channel. I appreciate you so much. Anyways, today we're gonna be doing this look that you saw in my previous video, and someone asked me, can you please do the hair that you have on your head? And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do that. So this is what we are starting with. We've got my lovely hair, my crown. That is super depressing sometimes, but anyways, what am I gonna do? So the first thing that I'm going to use is this Afro Botanics conditioning. It's like a conditioning moisturizer, if that makes sense. Is that what it's called? Leave-in conditioner? Yeah, something like that. That is what I'm going to use, and I'm just gonna try to penetrate my fingers through to the scalp. It doesn't really go very well. That's why sometimes I take my time and make sure that I'm massaging, massage, and make sure that the product is in there. Now we're going in with my lovely product that I just found called Tlotsa, and I'm just gonna follow up with the Afro Botanics moisturizer and just gonna massage my hair and make sure that my hair is moisturized, because my hair, my crown gets super dry. Now, what is my hair without water? Guys, the first thing that I am going to do before I actually start with the whole process, it is spraying my crown with water. And I am not even gonna play, you guys. I even cut some clips. I did spray the water, and I'm going in with a brush. I find it easier to actually detangle my hair with a brush, although, you guys, honestly, I didn't detangle all the way through, but I tried. And I make sure that I hold my hair on the roots, because if you are going to just go all the way in, you're gonna be hurt. Well, at least I'm gonna be hurt, and that is it, guys. I bow to the hair because I can't detangle it. Now I'm going in with this comb, and I'm just trying to attempt to do that. And again, I think a blow dryer would work really great, but I am trying to stay away from heat, or low heat for that matter. But can you see, guys, the products that I've been using, they're really working great for my hair. My hair has never been like this. So now I'm going in with a parting, and I'm gonna do it in the middle. And you may need a mirror to see what's going on at the back of your hair, to make sure that the hair line, the line is actually straight. Now I'm just making sure that I am combing the hair to the area where I am going to tie the bun. We are going to look like little kids today, and I'm going to be using this bands. They're not rubber bands, they're just, what cloth is that? But yeah, you get the idea. I don't use rubber bands because they roll and they will break your hair, and I worked so hard for this hair, and you can see, guys, it's pretty much a struggle sometimes. Okay, so I'm just tying that bun a little bit higher than, like, it's in the middle section of the hair. And now we're doing the same thing, and my hair now is dry, and I sprayed a lot of water, so we're gonna go back with the water, spray some more, and make sure that it is easier to detangle. Can you guys see? Like, this is what I'm working with, the shrinkage. This hair, when it is fully stretched, it's even longer than this, but this is what we're working with. And I am not willing to go under the dryer right now, because we're working with 2 buns anyway. If I was going with 1 bun, it was not gonna happen. So if you haven't watched my previous video where I did my high bun, I don't know what's going on with me. If you didn't watch that video, I'll just link it down below, and you guys, you're gonna love that video. Please go and watch it. And if you want to see my hair journey as well, I'll just put the links down below so that you can see. So this is how my hair is looking. I used a toothbrush, yes, a toothbrush, to actually make sure my hair is combined. You can go ahead and use gel, but I'm not about to wash my hair because wash days are insane, y'all. So I just use the gel at the front of my hair, and this is what I'm using, the Soft and Free, the one that you grew up, or I actually grew up with this product. I grew up and it was already born, okay? So now I'm just using a toothbrush to close the forehead. Can you guys see? I have got 5 head, and I'm just making sure that I close off the head and make sure it looks a little bit smaller. And again, my hair is super fluffy towards the front, and I do not have much hair towards the front, so I just want to make sure I'm closing all that. But if you do not like your baby hairs and stuff, and your hairline is thick, you don't need to go with this. Okay. So I like to take the gel and take it to the back as well. I don't want to put gel throughout the hair, because I am basically going to wash the front and the back, and that's it, you guys. And I'm gonna see wash days after. Okay, now this is what we call checkers. It's a checkers plastic, and it's got a lot of hair pieces left from previous uses, and I just went all in to search for anything that I could find, to do my hair. And I found tracks from the weaves that I would do, which is like 3 years ago, I think, because that's the last time I did a wig, I think, if not 2 years ago. So they're not even equal in size, but it doesn't matter. Who cares? Do you care? I don't, but yeah, as long will look good at the end of the day. And yeah, so I'm just gonna fold the track, and I'm gonna hold it towards the end, and I'm just gonna flip it around my bun that I have and make sure everything is secured. I didn't use pin for this look. Pins. I didn't use pins for this look because, first of all, I wasn't going anywhere. Let's be real. And second of all, it was not going anywhere. It was not moving. Okay, so I just rolled that around, and we've got a high school bun, and I left a little piece towards the end, and I'm just gonna use it to tie around the hair so that it doesn't move at all. Okay, but if you're going out, you want to make sure that you use some pins so that you are not embarrassed. Okay, so now we're going in with the second part, and as you can see, you guys, these tracks are not even similar in size. They're not similar, okay, but they're gonna work because anyways, we're not leaving our hair like this. If you want, you could leave your hair like this, guys. Whenever I decide to have a baby girl, my baby girl's gonna be freaking super on point, because I have these hairstyles that are very suitable for kids and I'm doing them on my hair, but I feel like they're still cute. So anyways, yeah, if you want, for a photo shoot, I think this can look good. Anyways, yeah, I don't know what's going on right there, but we're dancing, dance, and dance. And this is how the hair is actually looking. It's super clean. You're like, can your hair ever? Yes, it can actually. If you take care of it, it can. Okay, so yeah, now I'm leaving out a little piece. You guys know that I love leaving out pieces because I don't want to be normal. I don't know, I just don't like normal things. And again, I'm just trying to make sure that this look has like a little bit of a ladylike, classy-ish, but still high school vibes, if you understand what I mean. I just didn't want to have like the buns alone, so I started to actually have some things hanging, things like a little bit of horns, if I may say. And now the part is to make sure that your buns are a bit even. They're not sisters, they're not brothers, but you at least try to make them look a little bit even. I did my best, and as you guys can see, the hair textures between the hairpiece and my hair is not the same, but it doesn't look bad. It looks like good. So now I'm using this straightener, and I can see, you guys, it actually out of focus, but you get the drill. Okay, it is the safe way straightener. I love it. It goes all the way to 230 degrees. I got it from Clicks. I did a review on this straightener. I think this is the best straightener that I've ever owned. If they do come up with another straightener with a higher hit, I would really love that for my weaves. So it didn't work out for me. I mean, it didn't work out the first time when I started straightening, because I sometimes like curling, guys, is just not my thing. So I ended up getting it right, and that is it. I tried, you guys, and then I just flipped a little bit of hair because I had a lot of curls, and I just decided to take it in and be left with a little bit of curls out, guys, because I didn't want a lot of that hair. That was too much. So anyways, yeah, that is it from this video, you guys, and we're still gonna be dancing because we are happy. You want to live your life to the fullest because we're young. I don't know if you're young, but I'm young. So anyways, that is it from this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one.